What's up guys, Michael's Investing here, and today I'm going to explain to you one of the intricacies of the taxes. Alright, so this is specifically about how to avoid paying taxes on capital gains. And the way to do that is to use a Roth IRA. So anyone who makes income can put money into a Roth IRA up to $6,000 a year. Once you're 50 years or older, you can add an additional $1,000 every year as a catch-up. So the reason that you want to do this is because Roth IRAs, you pay the tax on the year that you put the money into the account, and then all of the gains are tax-free as long as you wait to take out the cash. So if you just hold it in there, you're able to compound your money, you're able to get tax-free interest, and you're also able to save all the short-term and long-term gain taxes because of the tax exemption. So without this, you could be looking at tax rates of up to 39.6% federally, plus anything that has to do with your state or local taxes added onto this, 39%. But if you hold it for over a year, then you're only looking at 20% in a non-Roth account. But again, with a Roth IRA, none of this applies. There are no taxes after you put the money into the account, and it's pure profit in that sense. But I will talk about the long-term versus short-term capital gains rates later in a different video, but hopefully this helps you understand a little bit more about investing and real quick explains why you want a Roth IRA.